The next question in this Python HackerRank series is iterables and iterators. The input consists of 3 lines, as you can see over here. The first line consists of the length of the list. Okay, so this is the list and its length is 4, and here the third input is number of indices to be selected. Okay, and here there is sample output, and also they have provided us with the explanation down below. So what we have to do, by using this string, we have to prepare one combination in such a manner as they have given us in explanation. Okay, I'll just show you here. As you can see, this is a string which is given to us, and we have to prepare all this combinations in the form of tuple. As you can see here, they have given us. So this is also the same thing. As you can see here, we have to pair A with this A. Okay, then we have to pair this A with this C, and then we have to pair this A with D, and now again we have to pair this A with this C and this A with D, and at last we have to pair this C with the last D. So here also they have given in a similar manner, but the only difference is here they have used numbers, whereas here we have used this string. Here in this combination, consider this first tuple. So here 1 means this A. So here this one goes with 2, which is the second A. So the 1 and 2 are considered as A in this case. Okay, so here this 1 goes with this C, as I have shown here. This A goes with this C. Again this 1 goes with 4, 2 goes with this C, and at last C goes with this D. Okay, so out of these 6 combinations which are formed by using this string, 5 of them contains either 1 or 2. Okay, so from this whole 6 combinations, 5 of them contains index 1 or 2, which are the index that contains letter A. Yes, as I have told, this 1 and 2 contains letter A, as I have shown. So here 1 and 2 contains this letter A. So we have to keep a count for that. So how many times in this combinations there is A in a tuple? So here it is for 5 times. Okay, so we have to keep a count for that, and then at last we have to find a probability. So here in this case, so there are in all 6 cases, out of which 5 have A in them. So we have to calculate 5 upon 6. So let's proceed to the code. At first we have to import a function from itertools. We have to import a function called combinations, which will help us to form these combinations. And then we have to take these 3 inputs. So the first input is n, so we'll take it, n is equal to next thing will be this string. So we have to consider this, we have to take the input of this string in the form of a list. So what we'll do, we'll just split it by using spaces. It will directly return list in. And now we'll declare variable for this 2, and then we'll need a counter to count the indices that contains letter A in it, and then we'll need for loop for iteration, and here we are using this combinations function, which requires two parameters. One is the list and the another one is the length, which is m. And down here we'll check if the indices contains letter a or not. For that we'll require a if loop. If I, and then we'll increase the count by 1. Okay, and at last we have to print the probability, that is 5/6 we have to do. So we'll print, we have to divide count by length of these combinations, that is the number of combinations which are formed. We cannot use this length function on these combinations as it is. First we have to convert these combinations functions into the list, and then we can use this length function in it. So we'll convert them into list. And now we'll submit the code. The solution for all other questions included in this Python HackerRank series will be available on my channel. If you have any query, let me know it in comment section given below, and thank you guys for watching this video.